Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. So, hello. Nice to see everybody. Happy Thursday to you. Happy beautiful Thursday. It is gorgeous outside, nice and warm and hot. Looks like it could possibly be one of the best days of the weekend. So get outside and enjoy yourself. Thank you for joining me. I see some people joining on now. Hello, Brenda. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Today I am going to be making a coconut mojito. I'm going to be using coconut rum and mint to make my mojito today. I'm going to be using this awesome organic sparkling coconut water, which I use in our cherry smash as well. So thanks everybody. Just give me a thumbs up if you're watching me live, just so I know that you're here. Happy Thursday. Before I go into my drink of the day, our $9.99 special of the week is beef tips with broccoli and rice, beef broccoli teriyaki with rice. We still have our $34.99, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. We are open this weekend. It is supposed to rain. I highly recommend reservations or takeout. We have limited seats inside. We're still not open 100%. We still have our grocery store, our wines for sale, our liquors for sale. So we are limited with tables. We do have a tent outside if you want to sit outside under the tent all weekend. It is supposed to rain. Hopefully we'll get lucky. Fingers crossed that it won't rain all weekend and we can get some seating outside. But definitely recommend reservations. And oh, it's burger night also. So $9.99 burgers to go as well tonight. And that's it. All right, I'm going to get started here. I am going to take some mint and I am going to put it into my glass. And I'm going to take a little bit of agave and a little bit of lime juice. And I'm going to muddle that all together. So just a little bit. You can do it however you'd like, however much agave. You know, if you want it sweeter, add a little bit more agave. So I just muddle that all together. Sorry you can't see it. So hello, Brenda. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Catherine. Sabrina. Thank you. I am using this awesome Shipwreck coconut rum. So I'm going to pour 2 ounces into my glass. I mix that on up. I gotta tell you, I am ready for a cocktail today. So just sending out congratulations to Justin's baseball team. They are in the MAC Conference Championship games this weekend. They played yesterday. They beat the #1 seed. They were the 4th seed. They beat the #1 seed. So congratulations to Canisius. They're actually playing Ryder as we speak. They were up 2-0 last I looked going into the 5th inning. So fingers crossed they could go all the way. Justin is not there. Justin is now in Jamestown, getting ready to play for the Jamestown Tarp Skunks for the weekend, for the summer. So he's in Jamestown, gearing up, getting ready to play. I'm sure he's excited. It's been a long 6 months since his injury in December. He hasn't been on a mound, so good luck to Canisius, who's playing right now. They're hopefully, fingers crossed, it's a double elimination. Hopefully they will make it to the championship game, and good luck to all of his teammates. And his roommate pitched yesterday, pitched a full game, awesome game, awesome. Congratulations to him, to Matt from Canada. And let's see, so I put rum, I put lime, I put agave and mint. I'm gonna top it off with my ice. I'm gonna mix that on up in there. And I'm going to add a splash of lemon lime juice, lemon lime soda off of my gun. And I'm gonna top it off with this awesome coconut organic sparkling water. So just top it off there. And you know, you could add coconut cream. You could add anything you really like. You know, I always say when you're making a drink, play around, figure out what you like. You know, they're your drinks. That's why you're making them at home. So you get to create and have fun with it. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. Hopefully it'll be good. I'm gonna get a straw because I like my Mojitos with a straw. So mix that on up. That is refreshing. Yum, yum. I would have had a little coconut cream to it. There you have it. A coconut mojito. It is awesome. It's delicious. Try it at home. You can get these ingredients all here at Aroma Thyme. And that is it. Hope everyone has an awesome day. $9.99 burgers tonight to go. $9.99 beef tips and teriyaki with broccoli and rice to go. $34.99 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. We got some great to-go specials. It is going to be rainy this weekend. Order your to-goes early in the day. If you want to come into Aroma Thyme, we are open. We open tomorrow at 5, Saturday and Sunday at 3, and Monday at 5. So have an awesome weekend. I will be here tomorrow for my Friday happy hour. If anybody has any ideas for drinks, please message me. I'd love to make some cool drinks for you. And I'm always looking for fun, interesting stuff. So have a great night, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers.